I really don't know from where should I start. So let's welcome and unfold the journey of Sonakshi Goyal. She's the founder of Social Star Community, the Pickle Hospitality, lifestyle and traveler influencer, and she's entrepreneur and community builder, worked in Salman Khan film Tiger Zinda Hai, honored with 90 plus awards in the UAE, and she has also won the title of Mrs. Diva Queen Dubai 2021, Mrs. Famous Personality UAE 2022, and recently she has been awarded with the Women Entrepreneur. So Sonakshi, 90 plus awards, a verified account, you have made Salman Khan has eaten your food. I want to unfold all that story.
I want to say thank you to you. I'm so happy and excited.
Yeah.
And when you said आपको वो नहीं दिखाना है जो already है social media पे.
Yeah.
You have some different zone and you want to see some different zona. Yeah, I'm excited for that because I never share my journey in any broadcast. So I'm from very small town called Dadri and वहाँ पे हम पले बड़े और education, society pressure also at the same time. But my mom dad is very supportive till now. They always said सपना देखो और सपना देखने के बाद पीछे नहीं हटो. जी जान लगा दो. That's I learned from childhood and that's what I want to tell to my all the followers. सपना देखने के लिए भी हमारे पास ना एक जज्बा होना चाहिए लेकिन उसको देख के कॉपी बंद नहीं करनी है उस पे काम करना है दिल लगा के when you focus no universe will also come to you your family will also start following.
Today I am sitting with the powerhouse of talent and I really don't know from where should I start. So let's welcome and unfold the journey of Sonakshi Goyal. She's the founder of Social Star Community, the Pickle Hospitality, lifestyle and traveler influencer, and she's entrepreneur and community builder, worked in Salman Khan film Tiger Zinda Hai, honored with 90 plus awards in the UAE, and she has also won the title of Mrs. Diva Queen Dubai 2021, Mrs. Famous Personality UAE 2022, and recently she has been awarded with the Women Entrepreneur of the Year at Women Business Expo Dubai 2026, hosted Dubai's first ever fake birthday party at Zimidex, got covered in Vogue Today, Bombay Times, Filmfare, and the most the list may go on, but she also works for the society as she's associated with the UAE Food Bank and she distributes food every 15 days from the last 4 years, and till now she has distributed more than 50,000 meals. And her campaign name is Celebrate Your Birthday with Special People. So Sonakshi, 90 plus awards, a verified account, you have made Salman Khan has eaten your food.
Yeah.
But today I don't want all the glamorous and the achievement of Sonakshi, but I want the real woman who existed inside you and what was the challenges you have been through in this journey, and how did you made it? As we say that कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना पड़ता है and you have to give up so many things
That's true.
So I want to unfold all that story. And
so
welcome.
basically कुछ आज धमाल होने वाला है यहाँ पर यार.
I'm sure.
First of all, I want to say thank you to you, Deepa. Thank
I'm
you
glad.
so much. I'm so happy and excited.
Yeah.
And when you said कि आपको वो नहीं दिखाना है जो already है social media पे.
Yeah.
You have some different zone and you want to see some different Sonakshi.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm excited for that because I never shared my journey in any broadcast, so that's yours. And yeah, and I'm excited and yeah. So you want me to answer for that?
Yes. So I just want to understand that you have 90 plus awards, but which one still makes you cry? And what is the backstory? Firstly, let's unfold your backstory, the journey from where you came and how difficult or, I won't say easy, but what was it like for you?
It was not at all easy story, but उतनी tough भी नहीं थी. And you know what? I always have a dream. मेरे को एक आसमान आपने देखा है sky, there is no limit, right? True. So that's with me also, but there are lot of struggle. Even till now, I'm facing, but with happiness, and that's what I want to tell to all the women. हर comfort zone से निकल के अपने dream के बारे में आप सोचो और आगे बढ़ो. So now come back to my struggles. Let me just share a little bit about
Sure.
you. I'm from where? So I'm from very small town called Dadri.
Okay.
It's near Delhi, and वहाँ पे हम पले बड़े और we did our education, and then a lot of society pressure also at the same time. But my mom dad is very very supportive till now. They always said सपना देखो और सपना देखने के बाद पीछे नहीं हटो, उसके लिए फोकस जी जान लगा दो. दैट्स आई लर्न फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम एजुकेटिंग टू माय डॉटर वासवी, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल टू माय ऑल द फॉलोअर्स. सपना देखने के लिए भी हमारे पास ना एक जज्बा होना चाहिए, हम सबको देखना चाहिए, लेकिन उसको देख के कॉपी बंद नहीं करनी है, राइट?
True.
उस पे काम करना है दिल लगा के, एंड जस्ट फोकस. और व्हेन यू फोकस, नो, यूनिवर्स विल आल्सो कम टू यू, योर फैमिली विल आल्सो स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग यू, दे स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर ड्रीम्स. बट डिफिकल्टीज आएंगी, मेरे साथ भी हुई थी. लेट मी शेयर वन स्टोरी. When I got married, I shifted to Dubai 2016, and I got first opportunity. That's Salman Khan movie.
Oh wow.
Tiger Zinda Hai. And everyone was not happy. Every single person was not at all happy, including my husband. As you said, I should not, you want me to unfold.
Yeah.
So, yes, he was also not with me. He said, नहीं, corporate life में जाओ. And हमारी फैमिली में किसी ने नहीं किया है. मेरी फैमिली से इसको मे बी दे विल नॉट लाइक इट. और ये सब चीज़ें उन्होंने बोली. स्टिल आई ट्राई टू कन्विंस हिम, एंड आई डिड, and I took the step, and then I shooted for them. That was the small part. And after that, because I was a media person, let me just share with you, I was a ex-ZTV and India Today.
Yeah.
So I was always a camera-friendly person, and I always shoot, and I love to create content and help people. So when it comes to, industry called actress or film industry, nobody in my in-laws family, they didn't like that. But now they want me.
Oh.
Because I got the awards, and they realize, I am not into like the other girls. Maybe they face something, they read something wrong, or
Yeah.
maybe मैं ये नहीं बोलती कि उनकी पूरी गलती है, because उनका सराउंडिंग ऐसा नहीं था.
Yeah.
और उन्होंने शायद रीडिंग गलत किया होगा, उन्होंने कोई वीडियोस गलत देखी होंगी रिलेटेड टू द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. बट वासवी के लिए आई हैव अ ड्रीम फॉर दिस, जो मैंने नहीं किया. आई वांट टू सी हर ऑन अ बिग सिनेमा एंड बिग प्लेस, पेज ट्री काइंड ऑफ.
Nice.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So my journey was not at all easy in terms of growth. मैंने बहुत restless days, restless nights.
Yeah.
Everyone is sleeping except me. I just sleep. You can't believe. Sometimes 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours.
I can totally understand.
That's me. Or same time, I just realized I have a dream I have to fulfill. That's what I learned from my dad. एंड उसी चीज़ ने, वो जो वर्ड होता है ना जो आपके माँ बाप देते हैं, उसी को मैंने सोचते हुए मैंने बोला नहीं, मुझे करना ही है. और मुझे अपने लिए नहीं, आई एम डूइंग फॉर सोसाइटी ऑल्सो, आई एम डूइंग फॉर वुमेन्स ऑल्सो. एंड दैट्स द रीज़न मैंने एक कम्युनिटी बनाई, सोशल स्टार्स, कि मैं सबके पास इंडिविजुअल नहीं जा सकती. वाई नॉट टू क्रिएट द कम्युनिटी फॉर द मॉम्स, फॉर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, एंड आई कैन शो देम दिस इज पॉसिबल. इट्स जस्ट योर कंफर्ट जोन, बस उससे बाहर निकलो, ड्रीम के बारे में सोचो, एंड यू विल रॉक इट.
That's so
You know
beautiful.
that
Yeah.
I'm mother, I'm wife, I'm entrepreneur. At the end, you have to handle everything, because your family will say to you, first you have a priority for the family, right?
True.
जो बचा हुआ टाइम होता है, then you think about it. That's what I also did, and that's what I want to suggest to you all. Don't don't compromise for your dreams. You have also 24 hours. I also have 24 hours. 10 hours, 12 hours घर को दो. थोड़ा सा सोना कम कर दो, maybe party थोड़ा सा कम कर दो. Initial 2 years or 3 years, because you are focused on your business.
Yeah.
You are focused on your dreams. And yeah, that was.
That's so beautiful. Like that's so beautiful, and I feel कि behind every successful or dream full of, like, you know, a daughter, there are parents who is just standing and saying कि you can, like, sky is not the limit for you. I should never be. Same with me, and I love your story because we have never seen Sonakshi. I am sure we have never seen this side of Sonakshi because Sonakshi is a strong, outgoing personality. I have seen you hosting the events and always smiling, and you know the most beautiful part about it is the smile, you know, the positivity you come up in the room.
Yeah.
And so today we are unfolding how do you maintain such positive vibe. So Sonakshi, when you was 25, would you recognize yourself what you are now?
Definitely. You know, when I was 25, you can see me now also the same, and you will see me in the future also after 25 years also the
Wow.
same. That's me.
Yes.
That's my value. आप जो हो ना, जो नेचर है आपकी, आप जो बनना चाहते हो, जो नेचुरल हो आप, just go ahead. Don't think for डांस कर रहे हैं तो इस तरीके से नहीं करना. It's a glamour industry. Somebody will think in a different way. सची दीपा, I am very different person.
You
इतने
are.
लोग मेरे से दूर होते हैं. She don't have that standard. I'm sorry. That's me.
Yeah.
If you want to have a friendship with me, accept me. Who am I?
True.
I can't be fake all the time.
Yeah, you should. I feel like the people who really like you
Yeah.
doesn't judge you.
Yeah.
The last podcast I was speaking the same thing because we had like two incredible women here. They are interior
Yeah.
designers, and they also, you know, unfold their story, and they also cried on the show, and like it was so emotional for me. And they said that, you know, you should not change yourself because
Yeah.
when once you start pretending,
Yeah,
आप
that's
कुछ
true.
और बन जाते
Can I
हो.
take a tissue?
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's okay. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. More for me. He is giving me more.
Okay, so we'll move on. You are everywhere in Dubai.
Mhm.
So how do you actually rest?
When I spend time with my husband Shashank and my daughter Vasvi, that time I feel like I'm resting. My mind is not with me. My phone is not with me. And I am with the full-on life.
Okay.
With what I spend time with my mom and dad,
Mm-hmm.
I truly spend time with my daughter and my husband.
Wow.
And they guys are accepting me who am I. मैं वही मस्ती करती हूँ, वही मजाक करती हूँ, वही आराम से बैठती हूँ, वही खाती हूँ, you know, junk
Yeah.
food also sometimes.
Yeah.
बिना सोचे समझे जो you know, you are eating cake. So yeah, that's me.
That's beautiful. Yeah.
So-
because happy tummy is like happy wife, happy life.
Absolutely.
So tell me about the first ever event you hosted and that was flopped.
My event, you mean? To be very honest, till now I didn't feel like that because I'm very pre-planned person.
Okay.
And I make sure whatever I'm hosting, I will do my heart and soul. And as I said, I'm not scared with anything. I'm not scared with timing also. I'm not scared with anything. It's just that me, and I'm very focused person. So if I'm launching something or if I am, putting some flyer, like I'm the organizer, I make sure to complete my all the homework so that the same day
Yeah.
I will enjoy and spend time with all the guests. And I was also want to add on here, you can't believe on my wedding 2016 मोदी जी का एक आया था कि पैसे बंद करो
Oh yeah.
10th of November.
Yes.
Imagine, my wedding was on 22nd of November 2016. 10th November, this is the announcement, and still my wedding was so grand because I was pre-planned everything.
Wow.
So I till now I never face such problem. I think it's for the people, they are not pre-planned
Yeah.
before.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, otherwise I will not do the needful. Yeah, even for my birthday party, even for my Karwa Chauth gathering, anything.
Yeah.
It's pre-planned always.
So you're saying the key to happiness or like
Yes.
organized is like,
Yes, very important for all the event organizers also.
yeah, that's true, I guess.
Yeah.
So you're a mother.
Mm-hmm.
What does your daughter think that you do?
वास्वी मुझे पता है जो मैं बोलती हूँ उसको, शी सेड द सेम, मम्मा आप बड़े स्क्रीन में कब दिखोगे मुझे? एंड आई सेड नो, नॉट माय टाइम वास्वी, नाउ दैट्स योर टाइम.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I love her. I mean, she helped me a lot sometime when she's also scrolling the videos and all, and she just immediately click like this, Mama, can we made it together? Can you
Wow.
made it? And I was like, she's just 5 years
Yeah.
old kid, and she has already dreamed for her mother.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Imagine.
Yeah.
So that's give me power, more
Yeah.
power.
That's
more
like
energy.
uplifting each other.
Yes.
That's-
And even she don't know what she is saying maybe because she's 5. She's just doing naturally. She's just sharing everything naturally. So she said, "मम्मा मेरे को आपको बड़े स्क्रीन में देखना है." And I said, ठीक है, एक बार माँ बेटी का रोल करेंगे. So that's one of the manifestation.
Yeah, we are excited to see that for sure, and this
Thank you.
manifestation will come true
Thank
because we
you.
can see the positive energy. And I
Thank
want
you.
to ask you that in this journey,
Mm-hmm.
how difficult was it for, like, you know, you are already married, you shifted
Yeah.
after your marriage. I am
Yes.
sure, like, you know, there are things which you need to get permission. Before marriage, you're like a free bird.
Yes.
And after marriage, things change
Yes.
for everyone, each one of us.
100%.
Like Indian women, if I address just
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
So how difficult was it, and how different was it from, like, you know, I know that you are a visionary, you have always set dreams,
Yes.
you are a free soul, your parents are so supportive.
Yes.
What was it like after marriage?
So after marriage was roll and roaster for sure. Because आपने कभी किचन में काम ही नहीं किया है.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
With
oh,
us,
yes.
It's like that. हम बड़े पैम्पर्ड बच्चे रहे हैं हमेशा ना. पापा ये चाहिए, मम्मा ठीक है एक रूम में लेके आओ. You know that kind
Yeah.
of kid, rough. But at the same time, my mom given me the values, where she said, अभी पापा के पास है वो आपको दे रहे हैं. I don't know what is next in
Yeah.
your life. आपका नसीब बेसिकली जो हिंदी में वर्ड यूज करते हैं वो मुझे नहीं पता है. So उसको लेते हुए कभी आपको नीचे बैठ के खाना भी पड़े तो यू विल नॉट थिंक ऑन डिफरेंट साइड, यू नो, रॉन्ग साइड. ये भी मुझे मेरी मॉम ने सिखाया.
That's so beautiful.
यस
Lessons,
कि
yeah.
किसी के साथ भी नाउ वी आर हेयर, वी कैन बी कम डाउन एनी टाइम बट वी विल नॉट लूज आवरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
वी विल नॉट फील लाइक लाइफ खत्म हो चुकी है, अब कुछ नहीं चाहिए. नो, अगर है वो इसलिए आया आपकी मेहनत से,
Right.
और अगर नहीं होगा वो भी देयर इज सम रीजन बिहाइंड दैट. उसको टेक एज अ लेसन. नो,
Yes.
लेसन की तरह लो, लर्न करो, कनेक्ट हो दोबारा से और दोबारा से अपने आप को चैलेंज करो.
Yeah.
मैं इससे बड़ा ब्रांड बना सकती हूँ.
Wow.
So that's what I learn and that's what I'm following.
Mm-hmm.
And come back to your question, what you asked.
What was like it difficult or how different it was?
Yeah, so basically as I said, किचन का काम नहीं आता था तो I took as a challenge. मैं YouTube पे मस्त वाले बढ़िया बढ़िया शशांक के लिए खाना बनाती थी. You can call him also. And candlelight dinner every day. I prepare something crazy.
Wow.
If you want, I can show you some pictures also.
We trust you, Sonakshi.
Yeah, but I can show you that
Yeah.
2016 photos
Sure,
I
sure.
have. So
I
maybe
think
if you can put
yeah.
on, add on the
Yes,
podcast.
Yes.
So मैं बड़ी क्रेजी बच्ची रही हूँ और आई एम वेरी फोकस. तो 6 महीने तक मैंने काम नहीं किया. मैंने, जैसे मैंने बोला, मैं बड़ी प्री प्लान बंदी हूँ कि मैं अगर एक कंट्री में आ रही हूँ, आई मेक श्योर पानी, हवा, वहाँ का weather, वहाँ का atmosphere, what kind of people there, they will
Yeah.
accept me or not. And most important, it was a arranged come love marriage to spend time with my husband. So and he's foodie, by the way. Shashank
Okay.
is very foodie.
Nice.
So he loved different food, and that's the reason we started Pickles Hospitality.
Okay, yeah.
I will also share with you that story. That's what
Sure.
not my dream. That's my husband's dream, which
Yeah.
I'm fulfilling for
Wow.
him.
Nice.
So so it was very different and it was very interesting. I took that and खूब खाना बनाया, खूब लोगों से मिली and festivals में बहुत ज़्यादा बनाती हूँ. People always said okay, अब शादी के 1 साल के बाद तक लोग बनाते हैं, 2 साल के बाद तक लोग बनाते हैं. I am going to complete my 10 years.
Wow.
Till now the same passion, same style, everything is same. आप मेरी करवा चौथ की पिक्चर्स देखना.
Yeah.
I will show to you. Till now, I wear the red lehenga with the full on the heavy makeup like a bridal makeup.
Yeah.
Till now, every 10 year I'm doing that.
Wow. We love the energy.
So and that's what I always said to my followers also. Please don't think कि पुरानी शादी हो गई. नहीं यार, come on, एक life है. Think about that. These days आपको पता है ना कि what is going
Yeah.
on, surrounding क्या है. Just think that कि एक ही लाइफ है, उसको जो आप चाहते हो. अगर आपको आलस आता है तो बात अलग है, बट आई एम नॉट एट ऑल. मुझे रेडी होना बड़ा पसंद है, मुझे साड़ियाँ पहनना बड़ा पसंद है और मुझे वैल्यूज को कैरी ऑन करना बड़ा पसंद है.
Very nice.
That's
Yeah.
what I want to educate to Vasvi also. Otherwise, in Dubai, you will not see such kind of celebration at home.
Yeah.
And जो आपके संस्कार हैं, जो आप कर रहे हो, वही तो वासवी सीख रही है ना यार.
Right, right.
सो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स मुझे चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं विद माई वर्क. मैं फिर उस दिन क्या करती हूँ, उस दिन मैं सुबह फिर 4 बजे उठती हूँ बिकॉज एट द एंड यू हैव टू गो टू ऑफिस. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर एंड यू नो द इंडियन फेस्टिवल देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्रिपरेशन लाइक डेकोरेशन एंड फूड, वेराइटी ऑफ
Yeah.
फूड. ऐसा नहीं कि एक वेराइटी
Yeah.
ऑफ फूड देन पूजा. तो एवरीथिंग आई डू एंड बेस्ट पार्ट, I always wear whatever I am wearing. I go to office. So I am promoting Indian festival also in Dubai.
Very nice. Like, that's why I introduced the powerhouse of energy. Like, we can totally see your energy
Yeah.
throughout the podcast.
So even on lift also, you know, मैं lift में जब जा रही होती हूँ तो people will recognize because we are in a Dubai and we have 200 plus nationality.
Yes.
And in my offices, past offices, it was 10, 12, 20 nationalities are working together. So they love that. They are crazy for India.
Yeah.
And they said, Sona yaar, when is your brother is going to marry? We wanted to come.
Yeah, people have like this
Yeah.
crazy thing for Indian marriages.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So when I wear such kind of sarees or suit or bindi or sindoor, oh my god, I will show you that video also. I wear one time in my last office 15 sarees in my office.
Wow.
And I wrap for them. I put it bindi for Africans.
Wow. And they did? Where?
Yes, for Filipino. I will show you pictures.
Sure.
You guys, audience will enjoy that.
Yeah, I'm sure.
They adopted that. Even they were scared for the Holi, you know, because of the colors.
Yeah.
They feel like skin is, our
Yeah.
skin is sensitive. Deepa, all the staff, and they were the already nationality was almost 15 to 20 nationalities. They all said, Sonakshi, please do it for in our conference room. They all took permission from chairman, and my chairman is also African.
Wow.
Even I did the Diwali puja. I made the temple in his office, African office. Proper temple, and all are doing the aarti.
Wow.
You know, I put the tika because they scared
Yeah.
to put tika. Imagine I did for them.
Wow.
And that's how I'm spreading Indian culture in Dubai.
Now I can justify the 90 plus awards. You need more.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
So,
Deepa.
tell me that when this energy goes low, I'm sure like sometimes maybe, who is that woman or who is that person you call at 2 a.m.?
Sakshi.
Okay.
I have 3 to 4 best friends. मुझे मार डालेंगे बाकी लोग. Meenakshi, of course, I love you. That's for you. Sanmi, that's for you. Sonia, of course, I love you. But Sakshi,
Okay.
उसने वो बहुत बड़ी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है,
Okay.
सेलिब्रिटी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट.
Nice.
शी CA, so she travel a lot. US बहुत जाती है frequently and everything. और बहुत स्टाइलिश है. एंड शी इज़ वन ऑफ आई फील लाइक मैं उससे उसकी स्किन को लेके बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होती हूँ. मैं ऑलवेज सेड बेबी प्लीज मुझे बताओ हाउ यू आर डूइंग. सो शी इज़ द वन इन माई लाइफ जिसने हर एक कॉर्नर पे मेरा साथ दिया है, मुझे सुना है. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है
Yeah.
फॉर वुमेन्स, यू नीड सम गुड लिसनर
Yes.
and who will accept you what you are doing. Definitely she guided me right, but not on the same time. वो सेम टाइम पे मुझे सुनती है, सिर्फ मुझे पैम्पर करते. मैं रात के 2 बजे 3 बजे कॉल करूं, हाँ सोना अब क्या हुआ, मैंने बोला कुछ नहीं, तेरी याद आ रही थी. इमेजिन टिल नाउ वी हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन एंड शी नेवर सेड मुझे कॉल क्यों किया, ये बताने के लिए किया है, याद आ रही थी. She said, Sona, I miss you too, and then same energy.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love you, Sakshi. That's for you.
Do you think like female friendships are like above everything in our life? Because I won't compare two relationships together because सब अपने अपने जगह पे होते हैं, but एक time के बाद when you are settled in your life, you are सबके life distribute हो जाते हैं after having a baby. Like I am sure the parents also get busy with time,
Correct.
work, your ambition, his ambition,
Absolutely.
the baby, school, everything.
Correct,
like,
correct,
you know?
correct.
So you need sometimes to ventilate yourself. You need sometimes to like maybe listen. So आजकल you must have seen Instagram पे female friendships are like too much trending because
Yeah.
you need people who can
Yes.
listen your soul without you can just cry in front of them like
Correct.
crazy and they
Yes.
don't judge you at that
Yes.
time and
Yes.
they don't give you any suggestions.
Yes.
It just like okay, you cry your heart out, it's okay, like
Yeah.
it just like these 3 words, it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah. Chill.
Yeah, chill,
Chill,
it's
my
fun.
girl.
So how do you like see in yourself like those girlfriends, the importance of
Very
those
important. Trust me. And even I would suggest to all the girls listener, women's listener, please go on a staycation with your girls. साल में एक बार 2 दिन के लिए 3 दिन के लिए ट्रिप पे जाओ और बच्चा भी नहीं और पति भी नहीं और फैमिली भी नहीं, जस्ट विद योर गर्ल. आपको डिफरेंस पता चलेगा और आप चार्ज हो जाओगे. ये आप लिख लो अभी की अभी. आई एम टेलिंग यू,
Yeah,
आप लिटरली बहुत डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी बन के आओगे.
I totally agree.
बिकॉज एवरी वुमेन विल शेयर देयर पार्ट.
Yes.
किसी का प्रॉब्लम है इन लॉज का, किसी का बच्चे का, किसी का बच्चा नहीं पढ़ रहा, किसी का हस्बैंड का एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर है.
Okay.
There are so many things, but when girls are together, they will share their
Yeah.
own zone, in the night usually,
Yes.
after party and all, and then you will realize आपकी तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. सच्ची.
That's
Then
so
you will-
true.
Then you will realize यार मैं तो I'm so blessed.
Yeah.
And instant you will get energy.
Yes.
दीपा.
Yes.
जब आपको पता चलता है ना आपकी प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, कोई और प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा है.
Yes.
आपको एनर्जी लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Right.
There is a soul.
Yeah.
वो आपको एनर्जी देगा.
I love the fact that when जैसे हम बैठे हैं ना, we
Yeah.
just cherish each other.
Correct.
And the positivity all around, think about like
Yes.
5 of us.
Yes, yes.
And I just love my girlfriends as well, like because
Wow.
of them it's so easy to be here in a
Yeah.
new country with a new passion. This is like not something which I have been like very well, and
Yeah.
I come from a design background. This is very new, but my girls always motivated, you can do it, just go and record.
Imagine when you came to my office, what I
Yes.
said. You can do it, yeah.
Yes.
You have a good personality, good smile.
Yes.
And you have a lot of good ideas. Grab it.
Yeah.
Grab it.
I just love the fact that how women these days supports.
Yes.
I also like last podcast में there was a saying कि women ही women की दुश्मन होती है. Somewhere yes, because I feel it's not like दुश्मन, it's a generational gap
Maybe.
which we had.
And just filter your people. I will
Yeah.
suggest. आप ये 5 fingers देखो, equal हैं, अच्छी दिखती हैं, लेकिन अलग अलग शेप्स ली हुई है. Same with your girls also.
Yes.
Just filter it. यहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है कि this person is not good for you. Maybe वो आपकी एनर्जी बहुत कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं और वो आपको यूटिलाइज करना चाहते हैं. Whatever. क्योंकि everyone has that intuition.
Yes.
दैट्स फ्रॉम द गॉड,
Yeah.
गॉड गिफ्टेड है ना ये इंट्यूशन. सो उस केस में आप ये सोचो कि आप उसको फिल्टर करो. कसम से लाइफ इतनी सुंदर लगने वाली है, इतनी मजेदार,
Yeah.
आप पूछो नहीं.
Wow, I love your vibe.
थैंक यू.
So, Sona ke saath Dubai Life, which
Yeah.
is your Insta ID, what does that actually mean to you now?
It's a lot. Because of Sona ke saath Dubai Life, we are sitting together.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
You have seen my profile, and then only you came to me and we discussed, and then
Yeah.
that's the reason we decided a date. So it's everything for me.
Mm-hmm.
सोना के दुबई लाइफ मेरी बेटी के होने के बाद मुझे ये आइडिया आया.
Mm-hmm.
आई टोल्ड यू आई सीन लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल देयर. मैं काम भी करती थी और आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन माई पैशन साइड.
Mm-hmm.
जब मैंने डिलीवर किया अपनी बेटी को कोविड में, देयर वाज नो नैनी, देयर वाज नो पेरेंट्स, देयर वाज नो इन लॉस.
Hmm.
There was one baby. I mean, the first time I was mom,
Yeah.
and then आपको हर चीज खुद करनी है. मैंने सब कुछ सफाइयाँ खुद की हैं,
Mm-hmm.
एवरी सिंगल थिंग. लेकिन तब भी मॉम सुनो आप, तब भी मैंने टाइम निकाला जब वासवी सो जाती थी और मैं सोचती थी मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में यार, यही करना है क्या हर टाइम.
Hmm.
बट मैं एक साइड सोचती थी कि यार मैं आई एम गुड ऑन वीडियोस, मैं लोगों को सपोर्ट करूँ क्या, क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम पे एवरीवन वाज सो डिप्रेस, सो
Yeah.
सैड,
Mm-hmm.
राइट. उस टाइम पे मैंने मोटिवेट करना शुरू किया, मैंने वीडियोस बनाई आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. हाँ, बाय द वे, क्योंकि मैं कभी कभी वासवी को भी वीडियो में लेती थी और नोबडी लाइक दैट, नोबडी लाइक दैट. आप इतने मोटे हो चुके हो, व्हेन यू डिलीवर योर डॉटर,
Yeah.
आई पुट ऑन almost 25 to 30 kgs.
Okay.
Yes, if you will see my photo, I till here to here.
Hmm.
Because I told you ना, मैं खाना नहीं खा पा रही थी because I don't know कि क्या खाना है, लड्डू खाने हैं, क्या खाना है.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
At the same time, you are a new mom, so you make sure कि बच्चा रोए ना. या रो रहा है तो पता ही नहीं है क्यों रो रहा है.
Right.
And my husband also recently, during that time when I deliver, on 5th, I deliver on her on 10th August. 5th August, my husband got another job.
Okay.
5 days before. You can imagine, आपकी जब नई जॉब लगी होती है, you can't support like the before. You can support because आपके पुराने कलीग्स भी आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे,
Yes.
राइट. सो नए वाले कलीग्स आपको कंग्रेचुलेट करेंगे बट वो सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे,
True.
राइट. And Shashank was going every single day Fujairah, Dubai to Fujairah,
Wow.
Dubai to Fujairah, every day. Imagine travel timing and of
Yeah.
course his work pressure and the new training and everything.
Mhm.
Very hard time. But that time, सोना के साथ दुबई लाइफ came to my life. मैंने बोला अब तो YouTube पे छा जाऊंगी मैं. And मैंने तब ये वर्ड दिया, सोना के साथ दुबई लाइफ मीन्स आई एम सोना,
Yeah.
के साथ मीन्स विद मी,
Yeah.
दुबई लाइफ, आई वांट टू शोकेस दुबई लाइफ.
Yeah.
विद इन 6 months YouTube पे मेरे को मोनेटाइज हो गई मैं.
Wow.
विद इन 6 months.
That's incredible.
उसमें मैं वीडियोस जो बनाती थी दुबई लाइफ, एंड मैं मील्स बनाती थी, अपनी बेटी को रागी खिलाती थी,
Yeah.
चावल का पानी, या बच्चे के लिए ये ज्यादा कंफर्ट जोन है. और ऑल दो मैं भी खुद ट्राई एंड टेस्ट कर रही थी, बट जो चीज मुझे अच्छी लगती थी, आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू शेयर विद द मॉम,
Yeah.
व्हाई नॉट टू शेयर कि ये डिस्काउंट चल रहा है यहाँ पे जाके 100 दिरहम की जगह 10 दिरहम में, बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड टाइम, यू नो दैट हाउ टफ वाज.
Yes.
सो मैं तो वैसे होते होते वो मोनेटाइज हो गया. एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि मेरे को ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, दुबई ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के सामने मैं आना शुरू हो गई, एंड दे सेड कैन यू कम टू आवर प्लेस एज अ इन्फ्लुएंसर. दीपा, आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्रेस ऑन योर पॉडकास्ट. वहां से मुझे वर्ड पता चला कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर चीज होती है.
Okay.
इन माई लाइफ आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर हु इज इन्फ्लुएंसर.
Yeah.
वहां से मुझे पता चला इन्फ्लुएंसर नाम की चीज होती है, एंड देन आई रिसीव इन्फ्लुएंसर अवार्ड
Okay.
because I was shooting for them unconditionally, unpaid, putting dress, makeup, travel, because at time मैं ड्राइव भी नहीं करती थी, टैक्सी. और मैंने पता है दीपा नॉन स्टॉप किया.
Wow.
I never thought for, even for women also, I never thought for कि मुझे क्या मिलने वाला है रिटर्न में. I never ask anything. मैंने सिर्फ काम किया है लोगों के लिए. मैंने बोला आप मुझे चांस दो, मैं आपके लिए काम करूंगी. मैंने अपने टैलेंट को यूटिलाइज करते हुए उनके प्लेटफॉर्म पे उनको चीज़ें दिए फ्री में नॉन स्टॉप। ये नहीं कि 1 से कर लिया, 2 से कर लिया, 3 से कर लिया, 4 से कर लिया, 10 से कर लिया, हो गया मेरा। नहीं नहीं नहीं, एक दिन में मैं फेमस थी दीपा, एक दिन में मैं 5 इवेंट करती थी।
Wow. And
और
after
5
delivery.
इवेंट में ये सेम ड्रेस नहीं डालती थी। माई इयरिंग्स शुड बी चेंज, माई एसेसरीज शुड बी चेंज, माई
Yeah.
हेयर ड्रो शुड बी चेंज,
I'm sure.
माई ड्रेस शुड बी चेंज।
Wow.
और वो 5 इवेंट खत्म किए, घर पहुंची, बच्चे के साथ पति के साथ बैठी, एडिटिंग करनी होती थी। ये सब लोगों के लिए, इवन फॉर यू ऑल्सो, इफ यू आर शूटिंग एनीथिंग, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डिलीवर इन 48 आवर्स, खराब है वो। ये वो शूट ही खराब है आपके लिए। इवेंट गया, यू नो,
Yeah.
वी आर इन अ विस सेंचुरी, एवरी डे वी हैव समथिंग न्यू।
Yes.
इवेंट गया, इसका मतलब विद इन 24 hours to 48 hours, you are not putting the content, it means nobody is bothered.
Yes.
Because
That's
stories पे
true.
people are enjoying.
Yeah.
Right?
Agree.
And everyone need masala. You know, क्या हुआ था, मैंने क्या मिस कर दिया. And that's what I educate in the market. Even people are not thankful, I don't mind. But मैंने लोगों को ये चीज़ सिखाई है. क्योंकि लोग आलसी हो जाते थे, लोग सोचते थे कि 1 हफ्ते बात करेंगे, नहीं, फिर नहीं देखेंगे आपको वो, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सोना डाल चुकी है, या सोना
कोई
2 या
और
सोना
डाल
3,
गया,
कोई ना कोई डाल चुका है उसको.
Right.
ऑडियंस को हर टाइम नया चाहिए.
Right. Yeah, that's how social media.
That's
works
how
these days.
social media. So you have to, out of the box, you have to do it.
Right.
So मैंने ये deliver किया, and that's how I received Best Influencer Award, Best Supporting Partner, Social Media Supporting Partner, Social Media Manager, different.
Yes.
Unpaid, all
हाँ.
unpaid. But मुझे award से वो लोग देते थे स्टेज पे. क्यों देते थे? क्योंकि उनको दिखता था यार बंदी तो नॉन स्टॉप काम कर रही है.
Yes, obviously, I believe that hard work always pay you back
Yes.
when you are literally, and manifestation, you know,
Yes.
with your positive energy, I think you have always manifested this in your
Yeah.
head, and truly the universe is listening.
Yes,
So,
that's true.
like we have a crunch of time, but
Mhm.
I just wanna ask that two last question that, you know, you have such a big community of Indian women. So before they shift here, what are the misconception they had in their head, or what is the thing which you want to say to the Indian woman that who is moving to Dubai, or who wants to connect, who are still here but feels, you know, because there is a change in the country, they don't feel belonged. So what do you want to say, because you run such a big community for them?
So I definitely tell them, पहले आपके दिमाग में जो है वो भूल जाओ, अपने सराउंडिंग्स को चेक करो, और try to start going on a networking event. When you are going on a networking event, definitely you will meet different people at the
Yeah.
same time, different aura also, different family members also, right? And then you will see, and you know, this answer is coming from your heart. आपको समझ आएगा कि यार ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकती हैं.
Yeah.
So I would definitely suggest to everybody, please start going on a networking event. Even on your podcast, I want to express to everybody, you all are most welcome on entrepreneur meetup on every Tuesday, and I have a group called Moms Group, where we talk about lunch box also, by the way, हाँ, क्योंकि it's a one of the struggle कि
Yeah.
moms को लग रहा होता है यार lunch में क्या देना है या creative
Right.
क्या देना है,
Yeah.
or we have any pain issue, we have anything related to women and the kid, I have a specific group for that.
Wow.
Moms Social Star.
That's beautiful.
So all the women can join that group,
Yeah.
and definitely one of my team member will reach out to you if you are facing anything and you need anything else. Maybe PRO services, maybe you need some nanny issue, or maybe anything. And that's how I divide my community also, social
Yeah.
stars, you know that.
Yeah.
Media, different sector.
Yeah.
Influencer, different sector. Moms, different. Entrepreneurs, business promotion group, free. Everything I divide the category so that other people will not disturb.
That's very
Yeah.
thoughtful. Yeah.
Yeah. So this time it is only 22,000 plus people are the part of in a year, but definitely I am thinking next year will be maybe 5,000 or 6,000 for sure.
I am
That's
sure.
what
The vision
I
is,
am.
yeah.
Vision, and I'm expecting also because
Let's-
I'm getting
yeah.
good response.
Let's manifest this.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, what is the best advice you have got that completely you ignored?
Completely I ignored.
Yes.
ओके, फ्रॉम एनीबडी?
Yes, from anybody.
तो यार मॉम डैड से क्योंकि वो लोग आपको हर टाइम बहुत अच्छी एडवाइस देते हैं और आपको लग रहा होता है अरे यार चिल करो ना, क्यों बोल रहे हो?
That's correct, but yeah.
Yeah,
And what
so-
was the advice? Which now you being a mom yourself
हाँ
feels like कि it was a good advice. I should have listened.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट.
Oh. You said you are already so much
Yes, but
organized.
sometime I because I have my plate is full,
Hmm.
right? बहुत सारी चीजें हैं मेरे
Right.
पास, तो मैं टाइम पे नहीं पहुंच पाती हूँ.
Okay.
तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट का इशू है मेरे हस्बैंड को भी, मेरे लॉस को भी और मेरे डैड और मेरी मॉम हमेशा यही बोलते थे कि हमें टाइम से पहले जाना चाहिए,
Yeah.
जस्ट टू रेस्पेक्ट समबडी.
Yeah.
टाइम के बाद जा रहे हो तो यू आर नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग. सो वो मैंने बचपन से सुना है, बट आई इग्नोर्ड. एंड नाउ जब मैं बिजनेस में हूँ, आई एम अ मॉम एंड आई एम अ वाइफ एंड
Yeah.
देन ऑब्वियसली आई एम अ सोशल वर्कर. सो
Yeah.
हमने फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना होता है, कमिटमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. एंड देन आई रियलाइज यार ये मैंने सीख लिया होता ना, या भी तो मैं कहाँ होती. सो दैट्स
But
व्हाट या टिल
But time will teach you how to time management.
yes.
So, you know.
But I want to compliment you. I'm literally enjoying your podcast.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm
literally
glad.
enjoying. Yeah, it's feel like if I'm sitting with my friend and हम अपनी coffee पी रहे हैं, हम
Yeah.
enjoy कर रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं.
That's
So-
what this is. Like, I don't want
Wow.
intense conversation, but I really want you to ventilate and let the world know that
Yeah.
who exactly Sonakshi is, because we have
Yeah.
seen you. You
Yeah.
have so many followers, and
Yeah.
like, you know, I have also seen the glamour part of Sonakshi, the
Yeah.
like, you know, the perfect Sonakshi, the event manager Sonakshi, the awarded Sonakshi, but you know, there should be a place
Yeah.
where you can ventilate and
Yeah.
you can just be you know, because being you is the beauty of a woman. Not just a woman, everybody. Like, there should be a safe space where you can speak up, and I am sure when the woman out there who will see you will see that, you know, the struggle. It's not just you, Sonakshi. Really, when I sit here, I need so much encourage. I need so much. I sit at home and I feel like, what am I doing with my life? You know, just going and. But when I see the people, like, you are emotional
Yeah.
right now. The last podcast was that, and somebody calls me and just say, you know, I haven't spoken about these things in my life.
Yeah,
what I
me too.
spoken, yeah, here. I feel blessed that, you know, I created this safe space, and you gave me so much value that you thought that I can open up with this person. It's like means so much, and thank you.
I swear, it's really great because you know that everything is very artificial
Yeah.
these days. So such kind of podcast also. But when you said this word to me कि मुझे सिर्फ सोनाक्षी को जानना है,
Yes.
and I said okay, I will try. But तुम्हारा इतना positive हो रहा था, and the
Oh,
way
really?
you asked me so many questions, and I don't know, it's coming with the flow, and then I
am
express.
blessed and you feel safe. I just like it's. I don't know about the success rate and everything, but I think it's a successful podcast for me. So we'll just end up with the last question that
Yeah.
what is one sentence, what does harmony mean for you? In one sentence, if you can say that, what does actually harmony means to you?
How many what?
Harmony. It's
Harmony.
like, yeah.
Means for me, you mean
Peace.
peace.
What does peace means to you? Yes.
Peace means family.
Wow. Yeah, that's one word to say. And when do you feel like most relaxed? And you know, when you work, or when I know that when you sit with your family, you spend time, you feel like powered and positive. But how is like when a woman comes to you, what is one piece of advice which you wants to tell them who is still like, you know, struggling, juggling and thinking in their house that, you know, how can I be Sonakshi? Because Sonakshi is like someone out of the box. But today we have seen like what is Sonakshi has been through the journey. So what is one piece of advice for them?
हमेशा लाइफ में अगर आप सब ये सोचोगे ना कि आज का दिन लास्ट डे है, इस वर्ड में आज का दिन हमारा लास्ट डे है,
Yeah.
आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी तकलीफ, कोई भी बीमारी, कुछ भी हो जाए, आप उस चीज़ को एंजॉय करोगे. चाहे वो खाने में नमक भी नहीं होगा ना, और आपको पता है लास्ट मील है आपके लिए, आप आपका सोल, आपकी बॉडी, कोई भी चीज आपको फील ही नहीं कराएगा ना।
Yes.
आप समझ रहे हो, हर दिन को अगर आप सोचोगे इट्स माई लास्ट डे, आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व। दैट्स हाउ आई एम फॉलोइंग, एंड दैट्स
Yeah.
हाउ आई वांट टू टेल टू ऑल द वुमेन्स एंड मेन्स एंड एवरीबडी इन द वर्ल्ड।
Yeah.
अगर हमें चोट लगती है, हम दर्द हो रहा है, दर्द हो रहा है, दर्द हो रहा है, हमारी पूरी बॉडी में चोट लगी हुई होती है, और हमें पता है क्या लास्ट डे आपको क्या याद आता है? माँ,
Yes.
पापा,
Right.
मेरा बच्चा,
Yeah.
मेरे भाई बहन, मेरे क्लोजर वन, उनको मैं एक हक कर लूं,
Right.
उनसे एक बार बात कर लूं, उनको देख लूं।
True. Yeah.
दैट्स वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल टू एवरीबडी। हर दिन को लास्ट डे अगर सोचोगे, लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम लगेगी ही नहीं, प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं लगेगी ना। प्रॉब्लम
yeah.
कहाँ से आती है? व्हेन यू हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग ऑन योर माइंड,
Yeah.
और आपको कंप्लीट करना है और आपके पास टाइम नहीं है या सोर्स नहीं है, तो आप इरिटेट होते हो। एज अ वुमेन वी ऑल नो कि वी हैव हार्मोनल इशू, नॉट बैलेंस, दिस एंड
Yeah.
दैट, राइट? आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपको इरिटेशन नहीं होगी, सच्ची।
True.
आप भी फॉलो करना उसको।
No, I have listened this, like Sadhguru also says this, because I am following
Oh.
Sadhguru
Oh,
very
wow.
like closely from last, I think it's been more than 9 years.
Oh, that's lovely. I met him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, I think he's the person who is out of the box, because I'll say this, because you know, when I was in my teenage and I was passing through different phases of life, that
Okay.
you know, relationship changes, I left my house, I left my mom dad for the first time, like hostel,
yeah.
like study, meeting different kind of personality.
हाँ.
I never knew like ऐसे भी लोग exist करते हैं, and उस टाइम कुछ सेंस नहीं बना रहा था लाइफ में, बिकॉज यू नो स्कूल्स में लोग जोग्राफी, फिजिक्स, मैथ्स, इंग्लिश एंड ऑल दैट पढ़ा तो देते हैं, बट जब लाइफ लेसन्स की बात
Practical.
आती है ना, तो like we were blank at that time. I don't know about right
Yeah,
now,
yeah,
but
yeah.
yeah, people like kids are very smarter these days.
Yeah. But in our case, we were not.
Yeah, I wasn't that
Me too,
smart.
me too.
Yeah, I wasn't like very. I didn't know how to control my emotions,
Yes.
my feelings,
Yes.
and
Even मेरे को देखो, मैं अभी तक नहीं कंट्रोल कर पा रही।
no,
कि-
this is another thing. But that time, like practical life और एक personal life
Yeah.
ना, मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि how to make it differentiate.
Yeah.
That time he introduced himself to me through my YouTube. I was just scrolling and I heard him for the first time, and I just listened him, and I thought ki this guy is making some sense, okay?
Okay.
And he was speaking about that why do things affects us.
Okay.
And you know the way you
Yeah,
explain ki if you live every day and single day you think this is your last day, what are the things which you really want to say?
Yeah.
Is that you want to point the problems in your life? Of course not.
Oh,
It is like you want to
wow.
meet your dear ones, see them, sit with them, have some good time before saying bye to the world.
My God, Deepa, I was not aware. That's
Yeah.
what my thought. Even मैंने ये
Exactly
article
this, yes.
या मैंने कोई YouTube पे कभी नहीं देखा। मैं
Yeah.
अपने आप से जब मैं अपने आप को चैलेंज
But you
करती
have
हूँ,
evolved as a person, right?
Yeah,
That means. And he
yeah.
said, you know, the people who are not very aware of their body and their
Yeah,
life will
yeah.
never understand it.
Ah.
So think that you have evolved as a person, and you have been, like you said, I don't know how to control. You know very well to control your emotion. It just you felt a safe space around you here where you can show the true side of you.
I think
And
so.
yeah, and think the emotions just came out. It's not worse or bad to show your emotion. It's just like you showed in a very balanced way, which the world also wants to see, which the women who are still struggling, who wants
Yes.
to be Sona, who wants to
Yeah.
get inspired by Sona, needs to see this, that how
Definitely.
Sona has reached that point of her life. It wasn't like ek din uthi,
हो गया।
camera liya, and then everything changed, but no.
no.
So I love the thought that, and it is such a same thought of Sadhguru, because
Wow.
that point I realized that how small our life is and how big we have created the problems in our
I
head.
swear. And why?
Yes.
For what? वो यहीं पे जाना है
True,
for sure.
true, true, true.
So enjoy your time, enjoy and learn as well,
Yes,
same time.
yes.
Just मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी यहाँ पर कि सिर्फ enjoy करना, नहीं, काम भी
काम
करना है,
करना,
सीखना
yes.
भी, बैलेंस करना है.
Yes.
जस्ट फोकस ऑन बैलेंस साइड कि हम कैसे बैलेंस कर सकते हैं. सबको खुश भी रखना है, अपना फोकस भी करना है, फैमिली को भी देखना है, पैसा भी कमाना है इन अ राइट वे.
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग शुड बी मैनेज. ट्राई टू बैलेंस एवरीथिंग.
Yeah.
क्योंकि रोज खाना खाओगे सेम टेस्ट
Yeah.
नहीं लगेगा.
Right.
वी नीड वेराइटी.
Yes.
राइट.
Exactly.
Like that.
With that, we are at the end. Like we have so many talks. I just
Yeah.
wish we have another podcast. But right
We
now,
will do part 2.
we for sure will
Yeah.
do. And for now, we have this. And I love the like positive vibe. And from this podcast, my takeaway is like, you know, whatever problem you face in life, just be positive. Like
Yes.
Sonakshi, and like just feel that you are the main character of your own movie.
Yes.
Because you never know tomorrow will come or not, but if you just feel like today is the day when you can give your best performance of the year and you will be awarded. So this is it. Thank you, Sonakshi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and thanks to you. Big shout out for you. You are
Thank
doing
you.
fantastic job, and you are giving the platform for the person where we are unfolded.
Yes. The
We are what
unfiltered
we
version. Yes.
I really want to offer her coffee now because obviously she's my friend, but
Yes.
you know, after podcast, I can connect and relate.
Yes, yes,
कि यार ये तो
sure.
बिल्कुल अपनी वाली बंदी है. So I'm so happy, Deepa. It
Yes.
is a fantastic podcast. That's from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to sit with you, and I wish you all the awards in the
Thank
world
you.
coming on your way, and just keep this smile with you.
Thank you so much.
So thank you. Let's stay tuned, and we'll be back with another episode.